Hi everyone, hope you got on okay last lesson with working out the area of a rectangle or a square. What we're going to do today is we're going to look at the area of a right angle triangle, okay? So here's my right angle triangle. What makes it a right angle is the fact that there is a right angle here, okay? And we're going to work out the area of it. Now, what I want to show you is why the area is the formula that it is, okay? So here's my right angle triangle here, okay? Now, if I was working out, so we're going to link back to the area of a rectangle, okay? Because what happens is when people do this, they just naturally multiply these two numbers together, okay? However, I've got another identical right angle triangle. You can see that they're exactly the same. Okay, if I put them together, what happens? Okay, I've got a rectangle. Okay, so what I've got here now is I've got two of these triangles makes a full rectangle. Now, last lesson we figured out that if you were working out the area of a rectangle, you would do the length times the width. Okay, so we would do 10 times 6, and that would give me the whole area of the rectangle. However, I don't want the whole area, and what I can do is if I cut it in half or I split it in half, I'm left with the triangle. So when you're working out the area of a triangle, you can work out the area of the whole rectangle first, okay? Then take that half away, okay, or divide it by 2, yeah, halve the answer to find out the area of just the triangle that you need, okay? So I'm going to show you how to do this now. So if we imagine that our triangle is a full rectangle, you can do this on your questions if it helps, okay? So these are exactly the same as we've seen when I've put my two together. So to work out the area, we would do the length times the width, okay? So area of rectangle equals length times width. So we're going to do 10 times 6, which is 60 centimetres squared, okay? So that gives me the whole rectangle. Now what I said was this is the exact same area as this, so we're going to halve our answer to leave the area of the triangle. So the area of the triangle is the area of rectangle divided by 2. So it's length times width divided by 2. So we've already done our 10 times 6, which is 60. And we're going to divide it by 2, so half of 60 is 30 centimetres squared. So that's all you need to do on these questions. Imagine that it's a full rectangle. You can work that out first if it helps you. And then the area of the triangle is half of the rectangle. Have a go at the questions yourself now.